Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows 11 noise suppression, how to turn it on or off. First method is turn on noise suppression. Second method is turn off noise suppression. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.